Hey guys, welcome to another video with Toppers. Today we have Rucha. She's a current student in JBMS. She's completed a summer internship. She's even secured a PPO. We'll talk about all those things plus how she prepared for CET. But before that, let's thank Rucha for taking out some time from the busy JBMS schedule and joining us for this interview. Thanks, Rucha, for coming here.
Thank you, Vedant, for inviting me. Hello, everyone. My name is Rucha, and I'm currently studying in JPMS. So I'll be passing out in 2026. So,
Amazing. Okay,
yeah.
we'll straight away get to the questions, the ones that the aspirants are really interested in. And guys, before I move on to the question, just one small announcement. We've launched our new courses, revised prices. There's a new crash course also, so you can have a look at all those things on our website, on Instagram, wherever you want to have a look. The number is there in the description. So any doubt, just go to that number, call, WhatsApp, anything, and we get back to you. All right, so the first question, Rucha, how was the feeling when you got your marks, CET ka percentile you got, and you knew that you are getting into JBMS? I also want to know how your parents' reactions were.
I mean, getting into JPMS was like a dream come true because since the last year of my BTech, I knew, okay, I had to do MBA and that too from top B school. So I was preparing very thoroughly, and obviously, hard work was there in my preparation. And when I got my percentile, I was really, really very happy. At first, I wasn't able to believe it, but then obviously, it was like an amazing moment for me, even for my parents, because even they have seen my hard work right when I gave CET first time and then cat and then that. But then when I cracked it the second time, it was just surreal moment.
Yeah, so this was a second attempt, CET. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
we'll come back to that. But yeah, even I remember my reaction when I got AIR 11. I just shouted. My mom was like, Kya hua? What happened to you? Then I told her I got into JNS, so she was very happy. And yeah, it means it feels surreal because you never expect yourself to be in those top 100, 150 out of 1.5 lakh people. So it's a task. So yeah, I get it.
Actually,
And Ruja,
again,
say.
yeah, I mean, your hard work pays off. The hard work which you have been doing for the past 3 months or maybe like
Mm,
1 year, it
mm.
really pays off.
Correct, correct. That's true. Okay, so we move on to the next question. जिसमें we want to know more about your journey, the hard work that you were talking about for JBMS. कॉर्पोरेट के साथ कैसे पढ़ाई हो रही थी दिन में सपोज 12 घंटे अगर कॉर्पोरेट का काम हो रहा है तो वेयर यूज टू स्क्वीज इन दोज एक्स्ट्रा आवर्स फॉर सीटी प्रेप क्या क्या हर्डल्स थे कितने लोगों ने बोला होगा कि अरे नहीं हो पाएगा मजाक थोड़ी है 1.5 लाख लोगों में इतना टॉप में है सो कैन यू थ्रो सम लाइट ऑन दैट.
Yeah, so like you said, बहुत you mentioned about कितने लोगों ने बोला होगा 1.5 लाख लोगों में you have to come in top 80, 90. So first, I had self-doubt about me because I mean, you start preparing or तब you see your mock के marks and then you give the hard work. So I had a self-doubt at first, a little bit because I was also struggling, like I mentioned in VARC section. But then when I started clearing my basics and along with my job, so later, when I started giving my mocks in the last 2 months, I was pretty sure, okay, chalo, I was in top five in every mock. So now I'll be able to crack it. So as I was doing it with my job, I had 9 to 5, to be precise, 9 to 7 job. So in the morning, I used to squeeze in like 1 hour before going to job and try to get my basics clear. And in the evening, I used to try and give the area or sectional mocks. So this way, I was able to clear my basics and strengthen them. And then in the on the weekends, I used to give mocks. So maybe 1 or 2 mocks in the weekends and analyzing them thoroughly. So this way, I tried to prepare and keep myself aware with the with the MBA CET pattern, and I continued this for the 3 months, which was like Jan, Feb, and March before the exam.
Mhm.
And this helped me to get into JB, and I mean, it was really tough to handle it parallelly with the job. I mean, even I was in my last, I mean, the project was in full force. So I still tried to squeeze in sometime, maybe raat ko kabhi kabhi it used to be like 11:30 I used to finish my work, and I still used to try to give one of the area or sectional mock. So
Right.
it was tough, but I cleared it
कर लिया है. Yeah, it's a big thing. What did you say? What was your undergrad in?
in BTech Mechanical.
बीटेक मैकेनिकल. तो गाइज
Yeah.
ये जो भी जॉब करने वाला अगर ये वीडियो देख रहा है, इफ योर वर्क स्टार्ट्स एट 9 एंड्स एट 7 8 वॉट एवर, 1-2 घंटा सुबह और 1-2 घंटा शाम को निकालो यार. बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली इफ यू थिंक कि काम के बाद इफ आई पुट इन 4 आवर्स तो वो नहीं होने वाला बिकॉज यू गेट टू टायर्ड. तो सुबह 2 घंटा, रात को 2 घंटा is still manageable. So try that because we've talked to so many toppers who've been working and preparing for CET. सबने यही बोला कि सुबह थोड़ा रात को थोड़ा, and that is the best strategy according to me. बाकी आप लोग को जो भी सूट करे, up to you. So Rucha, when you get closer to CET, okay, जब 1 महीना 2 महीना बाकी है, कोई कोई मॉक में अच्छा स्कोर नहीं आ रहा है, which you used to get before, so there's anxiety that you develop, right? तो can you tell our aspirants, because अभी जैन चालू हो गया है, so how did you overcome anxiety? How did you manage your stress levels?
Yeah, so I tried to remain as calm as possible. And even after every mock, I used to give myself a break. I used to go for a short walk, come back, and think again. So if I have scored a less in one of the mocks, I used to go and analyze it thoroughly. And like just before the examination, you'll get your slot. So I used to practice my mocks in the time slot which was given to me. It might be like 9 in the morning or 1 or 2 in the evening and 5 or 6. So I roughly remember the slots. But I used to try to give my mocks in the time period or the slot which was allotted to me. Also, so to just I mean manage my body clock according to the timing for the examination. And I also, I mean, try to revise the mistakes which I had made or done while attempting the mocks. So that really helped me to, that really helped me to not repeat those mistakes in the final examination. And yeah, keeping calm, go and talk with your friends, your family. That might help you to calm the anxiety. That's how it helped me to calm my
Perfect.
anxiety.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, talking to friends, family, and continuously just preparing, focusing on your mistakes helps you overcome that. ज्यादा सोचोगे तो प्रॉब्लम तो हो गई. करेक्ट.
Right.
ठीक है रुचा. So my next question is again, how many attempts did you give for CET? First attempt में कितना आया था? And then how did you improve? And what was your strategy? Paper attempt करने का strategy कैसा था? पहले कौन सा section, second कौन सा? Can you tell us something about that?
Yes. So, in my first attempt, I scored about 99.5 percentile, and obviously that wasn't even a minimum cutoff which is needed for the JB. So I tried to analyze it, and in the first attempt, I used round robin strategy, so which was not really helpful for me. And then when I tried to give the second attempt, I changed my strategy. I focused more on VARC, which was my weakness, and also some of the topics in logical reasoning, which were not prepared by me during the CAT or XAT preparation. So I try to focus more on those topics, give the area or sectional mocks. And also, I changed my strategy. Yeah, like you mentioned, there were four sections: logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, quants, and VARC. So I changed my strategy to for VARC, I used to allot like 75 minutes, and then for quants, maybe 50 minutes. I mean, this is not the exact timing, but as VARC was my weakest section, so I used to allot more timing for the VARC. And then for logical reasoning, we had 75 questions. So I allotted again 50 minutes because logical reasoning was something which I was comfortable with. And so during my CET attempt, second attempt, so the questions we thought it that they would come according to the section wise, but the section was not mentioned in the examination. And we had to figure out, okay, so logical reasoning will be from 1 to 75, and then you might get quants question or abstract reasoning. So you have to figure it out. So for that, also I tried to check first, go through the paper, devised my strategy, and then I attempted logical reasoning maybe in 50 minutes, abstract maybe in 15 minutes, and VARC 75 minutes. So this was my strategy for the last attempt. And that really helped me because if I wasn't able to do some of the questions in VARC, I used to skip them and go to the next question. And then I had ample of time remaining. And then I used to come back and solve the questions. So this helped me to build my accuracy.
Well, this is crazy. This is for the first time I'm hearing that someone has allotted 75 minutes to VRC. I mean, मैंने किसी को भी उतना नहीं करते हुए देखा है इतना डाल के भी if you're able to crack CET that means then according to me कोई भी strategy गलत है ही नहीं if you practice that strategy 100 times so whatever strategy you follow you are going to crack CET so that's crazy I mean 75 are you sure 75 minutes to VRC
I mean, I'm not sure about the timing, but most of my time was like trial and error methods because I had to give my best and be accurate. So before giving during my mocks, I tried a lot, maybe 15 minutes for VRC or maybe 45 minutes. So I don't remember the exact timing, but
दस
yeah,
पन,
for
पाँच
VRC,
दस
I
मिनट ऊपर
had
नीचे हो
allotted.
सकता
Yes.
है बट ठीक है
Huh,
मतलब मेजोरिटी
because
वाज फॉर VARC ना
VRC, because I was very comfortable in logical reasoning and quants and abstract. And as far as I remember, abstract mein out of 25, I think so 24 were correct. So this was my accuracy. So VRC was the one I was lagging in. So इसके लिए I had allotted more timing for VRC.
वेरी नाइस है वेरी नाइस ऊंचा ठीक है so enough of CET prep now let's talk more about your summer internship and your PPO so summer internship में quickly can you tell us कि how was the experience JBMS का कुछ वट होता है कि नहीं what position do you get to talk to the C-suite managers and फिर उसके बाद जब PPO मिल गया तो how was the feeling like
Yeah, so even to get the summer internship, it is a very rigorous process and there's a lot of competition even in JBMS. So after getting into the company and after going for the summer internship, you also have a competition with other IIMs, maybe ABC. So I had peers from Bangalore, Calcutta, SPJMR, FMS, and all of the like tier one B schools. So it was really good experience. I was working in with Accenture strategy and consulting, and it was something new. So you have to go there, you have to work hard, you have to hustle a lot because consulting requires most of your time. So I used to work for like 15, 16 hours a day, and everything was new. So luckily I had a very supportive manager, and I was able to talk with the C-suites. I was able to talk with my MDs and senior managers and project managers who were sitting in UK or maybe US. So with the help of managers, supportive teammates, you might get to learn a lot, which you haven't experienced or which you haven't learned in the past 1 year. And so 2 months, it was rigorous of learning, hard work, and you get to know how to talk with various shareholders, even with your client, and even with the partners which are there. So yeah, and I mean, it was really amazing when you get to hear, okay, you have secured a PPO because this was the dream job which I was expecting. And consulting, maybe most of the students, they do have a dream role as
right right right
consulting
right
because I had a dream consulting as my dream role. And yeah, I mean, after getting the PPO, life is very easy because
I
you don't
know
have to sit for
still
finals and you don't
right
have that stress.
yeah yeah
And you can also focus on other things, like you can focus on yourself. Maybe some of the people in my batch, they do start preparing for CFAs and FRM. So, which is a really great thing.
Crazy. Very happy for you, Rocha, that you secured the PPO. My penultimate question would be can you talk about the faculty, your classmates, and the various case competitions just ऊपर ऊपर से कि क्या क्या एज डिफरेंस होते हैं क्लासमेट्स के बीच में फैकल्टी किधर किधर से आते हैं, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Yeah, I mean, even you are JB Alum, even you know that we have God of Operations coming here,
Yeah.
Muradian sir. We have other teachers who teach us even for finance and marketing, who are directors of various conglomerates, big companies. We have mostly the visiting faculties who are also like working in the real world companies or corporates. So it's basically more of a real world learning. So they bring with them the current scenarios which they are facing, and it helps us to connect with the theory which we are having in our books, maybe in finance or in marketing. So they connect the theory with the real world, and it really helps you to know, okay, so this is the thing which is going on in the real world. For example, for like international trade, you have the current topics which are going on. So teachers get us all the know-hows about also the companies, what are the problems they are facing. So it's really a very good experience. And I mean, JB is worth doing your MBA in. And even the peers, you have peers from all age backgrounds. I have my friend who is 21, 22-year old. I also have one of my classmate who is 32, 33-year old. So, so you get like a lot of experience. You know how to talk with and how to connect with everyone. And everyone gels up very properly and very well with each other. And you have peers who are from BCom, who are IITians, who are NITs, and there's a lot of competition. It helps you how to survive in this competition.
Yeah.
And you have various case comms with other IIMs. So even it helps you to get a taste of competition.
I'm aware.
So
It's like one family, 150 लोगों की. तो फ्यूचर
yeah,
में everyone's gonna help each other. In the JB also everyone helps each other because कोई कोई लोग के पास इतना एक्सपीरियंस है, किसी के पास कुछ भी नहीं है. But जिनके
right,
पास कुछ नहीं है, they've got fresh perspective. So everything complements, which is
exactly.
really nice in JVMS. So, which are one final question. It's like an advice that I want you to give to our aspirants, our viewers who are currently preparing for CET. And now you also know that there are two attempts, one in April and one in May. And
Yeah.
we are in the mid of Jan right now. So, what advice do you have for them?
Yeah, so I mean, first of all, this is a very great news. They're having two attempts because if I would have had those opportunities, I mean, I would have been in JB 1 year before. So I would like to advise everyone that give both of the attempts as their final ones and treat them as the most important attempts in your life, because these 3 months of hard work will decide your fate for the next 30 to 40 years. And it's really, I mean, important. You have to be persistent and consistent with your mocks and preparing for the CET. It will pay you off really well, and you get to be with the top cream of the country. And just work hard for the next 3 months. Don't just give up. Maybe you might fail in one mock, but don't give up, because eventually you might end up giving your best shot in the real examination in the first or the second attempt. And who knows, you will be in JB in the next 5 6 months.
100%, 100%. Guys, it's all about hard work. काफी लोगों ने 2-3 महीनों में JVMS क्रैक किया है, तो हमारे पास 2-3 महीने हैं प्लस 2 अटेम्प्ट्स है. सो डोंट गिव अप. वी आर ऑलवेज देयर टू हेल्प यू इवन इफ यू डोंट गो फॉर कोर्सेज. यूट्यूब पे हम लोग डालते रहते हैं कुछ ना कुछ टू हेल्प यू. वी हैव लाइव सेशंस ऑल्सो जिसमें वी टेक अप योर क्वेश्चंस. वी हैव फ्री व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स ऑल्सो जिसका लिंक इज देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. यू कैन जॉइन देम, यू कैन डिस्कस, यू कैन आस्क अस क्वेश्चंस एंड वील हेल्प यू. And if there's anything, any course that you want to go for, you can always visit our website and have a look. Thank you so much, Ucha, for being with us. Thank you so much for the great advices, your experience, sharing your experiences with the aspirants. I'm sure they would have gotten motivated and they would want to get into JBMS even more now. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you, Vedant, for inviting me. It
Thanks.
was
Bye
great
bye.
talking to you. Bye.
Likewise. Bye.